to play with fire.
Our candidate number 4 is none other than Miss Rachel Macaya. She is from grade 11, UMStar Donning. She is from Capayalo, Libungan, North Cotabato. Her favorite motto, I may not be the best, but at least I tried my best. I give you candidate number 4, Miss Rachel Macaya. Once again, that is our candidate number 4, Miss Rachel Macaya. Now help me welcome our candidate number 5.